Hello everyone and a very warm welcome from the entire team at Gradeup. A very warm welcome to all of you from the entire team at Gradeup. I, on behalf of the entire team at Gradeup, do welcome each and every one of you to the Gradeup CLAT YouTube channel. And today, as you are aware of the fact that today we are going to have a special session on Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019. A very important session on Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Friends, those of you who are planning or are aiming for CLAT 2020, here is a very important news. Yesterday night around 10 o'clock, CLAT has rescheduled the CLAT entrance examination. The rescheduled date is 7th of September 2020. So on 7th of September 2020, CLAT 2020 will be held. CLAT 2020 will be held on 7th of September 2020. So you have less than 30 days to prepare for this entrance examination. So you have less than 30 days. And if you reduce the Independence Day and Janmashtami celebrations, which will be celebrated across the country, you are less than 22 days. You are around 22, 23 days for this entrance examination. Okay. So keep this in your mind that you have an entrance examination which is scheduled on 7th of September 2020. And in view of that, we are bringing up to you some important classes, In this class, we are going to talk about the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019. But before we start with the class, here is a very important and a very nice news to all of you. Karthik Aryan will be live at Gradeup platform on 13th of August at 7 p.m. So definitely tune in to Gradeup at 7 o'clock on 13th of August. So Karthik Aryan will be live at the Gradeup platform. He is going to talk to you. He will take questions from you. And do participate at the super chat with Karthik Aryan, wherein you get a chance. If you participate, you get a chance to win lucky draw worth prize of 25 lakh rupees. Very important announcement to be made. Okay. So let's start with today's class. So without much ado, let's start with today's class. So in today's class, we are going to talk about the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Now let's look into the Constitution of India before we get into the amendment. The Constitution of India provides for a single citizenship for the entire country. Whether you are from West Bengal, whether you are from Maharashtra, whether you are from Punjab, whether you are from Uttar Pradesh, or whether you are from Tamil Nadu or Karnataka or Kerala, you have a single citizenship across the country. So the Citizenship Act, the citizenship is governed by the Constitution itself. The Constitution itself provides for a single citizenship for the entire country. Now, under the Constitution, the power to make laws with regards to citizenship is vested with the Union Parliament. The power to make laws with regards to citizenship is vested with the Union Parliament. And in view of the power that is vested with the Union Parliament, the Indian Parliament, in the year 1955 enacted the Citizenship Act. The Citizenship Act was enacted by the Parliament in the year 1955 by virtue of the power that was vested upon the Parliament to make laws with regards to citizenship by the Constitution of India. So the Constitution of India empowers the Parliament to make laws with regards to citizenship. So in view of that power that is vested with the Parliament to make laws relating to citizenship, the Citizenship Act came into being in the year 1955. And this Citizenship Act deals with providing citizenship. Okay. Now, let us come to the topic of discussion for today. The topic for discussion of today is the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019. So, what is this 2019 Amendment Act? Before the coronavirus outbreak, the only topic of discussion in India was abrogation of Article 370, and secondly, it was the Citizenship Amendment Act. So the Citizenship Amendment Act tends to amend the Citizenship Act of 1955. So the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019 amends the Citizenship Act of 1955 and makes allows foreign illegal migrants to become citizens of India. Now, there are certain pros and cons to it. The Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019 states that people who belong to who are Hindus, Sikhs, Buddhists, Jains and Parsis and Christians, these 6 religion people who have entered India from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan on or before 31st December 2014 gets a chance to become a citizen of India. Now, if a person has entered India illegally, generally the law is he will be either deported back to his own country. So if a person has entered India illegally, he will be sent back to the country from where he has come to India. Now, the government of India in the year 2019 amends the Citizenship Act, whereby it is providing citizenship. Mind you, it provides citizenship to those people who belongs to Hinduism, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsism or Christianity. These 6 religion people who belong to this 6 religion from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh, who has entered India on or before 31st of December 2014, they get a chance to become a citizen of India even if they do not have the requisite document. So those people who have entered India illegally by breaking laws, those who have entered India illegally, they do not have those travel documents, they get a chance to be an Indian citizen only if they have entered India on or before a particular date, and that particular date is 31st December 2014. Am I clear? So in short, what can we say? In short, we can definitely say that people belonging to, very, very important, people belonging to this Sikh religion, Hindus, Christians, Sikh, Buddhists, Jains and Parsis, who have entered India from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh on or before 31st December 2014 gets a chance to become a citizen of India even if they do not have requisite document. Generally, the law says if a person who has illegally entered India will be deported back to his own country. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Am I clear to all of you? Okay. Am I clear to all of you? So the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019 amends the Citizenship Act of 1955, thereby giving an opportunity to illegal migrants who belong to Hinduism, Sikhism, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism and Parsis who have entered India from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh on or before 31st December 2014, they get a chance to become a citizen of India. Am I clear? Am I clear on this? Now, the Citizenship Amendment Act is not applicable to the tribal areas of Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, Meghalaya, since it is since these states comes under the 6th schedule of the Constitution. Other areas that have been excluded are the inner limit, which is notified under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873. That means entire Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and Nagaland has been excluded from the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019. So the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019 does not apply to A, B and C. Am I clear? Am I clear to all of you friends? Okay. Am I clear? Okay. Now, let's understand the law, because in your CLAT, you might be given a passage of around 450 words. In your CLAT exam, you might be faced with a 450 words passage on the Citizenship Amendment Act, which is very probable to come in your examination. Now, let us understand the Preamble and Article 14. Am I clear? Okay. Now, let us understand the Preamble. The Preamble of the Constitution says that India is a secular country. Now, what do you mean by secular country? Secular country simply means, it simply denotes, the word secularism simply means that India does not have a state religion. India is neither only for the Hindus, not only for the Muslims, not only for the Christians, not only for the Jains, not only for the Buddhists, not only for the Parsis. It is for all. Secularism, the concept of secularism simply means that the state does not have any religion. Unlike Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, these are all theocratic countries. Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh are theocratic countries. They have Muslim Islam as their state religion. But India is a secular country where everyone is treated equally. Now, for example, what is secularism? I'll just give you a simple example. Whether a Hindu commits murder, whether a Muslim commits murder, whether a Christian commits murder, the law is the same for all. The law is the same for all. Suppose tomorrow a Hindu is earning 12 lakh rupees a year. A Muslim is earning 12 lakh rupees a year. A Parsi is earning 12 lakh rupees a year. Everyone pays the same income tax. That is the concept of secularism. That means the state does not distinguish or differentiate a person on the basis of his or her religion. Am I clear? Am I clear, friends? Okay. Am I clear to all of you? Am I clear, friends? So the preamble of the Indian Constitution, simply says that India is a secular country. Now, people who are opposing the law says that this law, that the Citizenship Amendment Act is based on a exclusionary principle. It violates the secular principle that is enshrined under the Constitution. Because today you are differentiating an illegal migrant on the basis whether he is a Muslim or whether he is a non-Muslim. Am I clear? Am I clear? Now let's understand Article 14. Article 14 says that the state shall not discriminate a person. The state shall not discriminate a person. That is what Article 14 says. The Constitution prohibits or bars religious discrimination. The Constitution of India bars religious discrimination, and it guarantees equality before the law and equal protection of the law. The Constitution simply says that a person should not be discriminated on the basis of his religion. Every person should be treated equally before the eyes of law. Whether you are a Hindu, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Christian, whether you are a Parsi, whether you are a Jain, whether you are a Buddhist, it doesn't matter to the state. Am I clear? But today you see under this 2016 Citizenship Amendment Act that illegal migrants who have entered India today is discriminated, today is divided into two groups: Muslim migrants and non-Muslim migrants. Am I clear? Article 14 says that a person should not be discriminated on the basis of religion. Here, the 2019 amendment, the 2019 Citizenship Amendment today differentiates a migrant, a person who has illegally entered India, on the basis of his religion. Illegal migrants are today divided whether they are Muslim migrants or whether they are non-Muslim migrants. Am I clear? Have I made myself clear to all of you? Okay. Okay. Now, other criticisms of this bill. The other criticisms of this bill is that if the critic says that if the government is really wanting to protect the rights of the minorities, if the government is truly and genuinely trying to protect the rights of the minorities by providing them with citizenship in India, then why are the Ahmadiyyas in Pakistan, the Rohingya Muslims in Myanmar, and the Hindu Tamil Sri Lankans been left aside? You will be astonished to know that the Ahmadiyyas in Pakistan are discriminated. The Rohingyas Muslims in Myanmar is discriminated. Apparently there is a genocide in Myanmar against the Rohingya Muslims, and that's why most of the Rohingya Muslims has fled to India and your Bangladesh, right? You also have a huge number of people who are Hindu Tamils in Sri Lanka. They are treated badly by the Sri Lankan government. Then why doesn't the government also provide citizenship to these people, because these people are minorities in their own country. Am I clear? Okay. Did you understand? Swati Pandey, no, it's not a recording class. It's not a recorded class. It's a live class. Yeah, it's a live class. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now, so did you understand what is the opposition saying? Okay. Did you understand what is the opposition saying now? Okay. The opposition is today saying there is the opposition simply says that why isn't the Ahmadiyas in Pakistan, the Rohingyas of Myanmar, and the Tamils not a part of this thing? Am I clear? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Did you understand? Very important. Very important, friends. Very important. Okay. Very important. Now, in conclusion, now is the time then I want to discuss with you. Now, how many of you think that this Citizenship Amendment Act is right? And how many of you think that the Citizenship Amendment Act is wrong? Please dial in, please type in your answers in the chat box, in the live chat box, so that I can see your comments. How many of you think that the Citizenship Amendment Act is legally valid? How many of you think that the Citizenship Amendment Act is wrong or is illegal? Is the Citizenship Amendment Act legal or is the Citizenship Amendment Act illegal? All in one says, I think it's wrong, it's right, it's illegal, it's wrong, right, yes, Abhi, legal, me sir, right, CA is legal, okay, it is right, hello Tanvi, okay, illegal, it is right, wrong, right, okay, so a lot of people, yes, I'm getting answers, fantastic. So there is a mix of answers that I see coming up. There is a mix of answers. A lot of people has said yes, it is right. A lot of people has said it is wrong. It is wrong. Okay. Yes, Sumit Mishra, legal sir. Kirti Sharma, wrong. Okay. Good. So my take on this is, after the Citizenship Amendment Act was passed by the Union Parliament, the act was challenged before the Supreme Court. This Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019, as on today, stands challenged before the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court is going to look into the constitutional validity of this legislation. Am I clear? The Supreme Court is going to look into the fact whether Citizenship Amendment Act is legal or Citizenship Amendment Act is illegal. Am I clear? Am I clear to all of you? After the Citizenship Amendment Act was passed by the Union Parliament, the said legislation was challenged before the Supreme Court. It is still pending before the Supreme Court. Now, whether it is legal, whether it is not legal, I am not sure of it. I cannot tell you today whether the Citizenship Amendment Act is right or whether the Citizenship Amendment Act is wrong. I cannot say to you anything now, because it is still being tested by the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has not rendered a judgment on it. So once the Supreme Court renders its judgment, I will be in a better position to tell you whether the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019 is legal or is it illegal. Okay. Yeah, it is still pending before the Supreme Court, and there is a complete huge debate whether the Citizenship Amendment Act is legal or whether it is illegal. Okay. any doubts that you guys have. If you guys have any doubts, please put down your comments in the doubt section so that I can give you the answers. Yeah. In case you guys have any doubts, please let me know. Okay. 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 Yes, the matter is not right now being heard because of COVID-19. Okay. All I said in the class right now, all I said in the class right now is that there is a Citizenship Amendment Act that make certain changes to the Citizenship Act of 1955, whereby minorities, that is Hindus, Sikh, Jains, Parsis, Christian, as well as Hindus, Parsis, Jains, Christian, Buddhist, and other religion. These are the minorities in these countries, in Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Those who have entered India on or before 31st of December 2014 gets a chance to become a citizen of this country. Okay. Okay. Now, another very, very important news for all of you. A very, very important news for all of you. Karthik Aryan will be live at Gradeup's platform on the 13th of August at 7 p.m. So you can join in at Super Chat with Karthik Aryan live on August 13 at 7 p.m. Participate in this live show with Karthik Aryan, and if you participate, you get a chance of a lucky draw to win prize worth 25 lakhs. Thank you very much. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Do like this video. Do like this video. Do share this video with your friends who are also preparing for CLAT. And definitely do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss on any notifications for all our videos. Adding further, please download the Gradeup app. I am sure that most of you has already downloaded the Gradeup app. Those of you who hasn't downloaded the Gradeup app, it's a request that download the Gradeup app as soon as possible so that you do not miss on any free classes that we conduct in the Gradeup app. With this, we come to the end of today's class. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you.